Good morning, Robert. How are you doing?
Good morning, Kevin. I'm doing great. One of my favorite songs there, by the way, from the motherland. So great song.
Yeah, I thought about that when they were singing. I'm like, that's a good UK band, right?
Very much so. Very much so. Yes, but doing well this morning. How are you?
Well, doing well. We asked Robert to come on. Something pretty exciting, really cool. Tom Bush BMW now offering mobile repair service, if you will, or mobile service for your BMW. That's really cool, especially for our listeners here in St. Johns County and St. Augustine, because it's kind of a pain to sometimes to go up to Jacksonville. So tell us about that.
Well, as we kind of move forward in our world of technology that we do, we found that we now have the capability and the technology to be able to put the equipment we need to do regular factory servicing and maintenance into a van and into a mobile service vehicle, and actually come out to people's homes or their place of work and be able to service their vehicles without them having to come to the store. And certainly when people come into dealerships nowadays, just for that regular factory maintenance, you'll find sometimes that they don't have loaner vehicles available and they have to wait for a couple of hours. So we've really gone to that next step now of trying to make the customer experience as amazing as possible, and providing an at-home or at-office factory maintenance where we can come to you and get that work done.
Yeah, that's Robert Dunn, once again, General Manager of Tom Bush BMW in Orange Park, a big part of our family here at WSOS. So those repairs, I would imagine, can include, your basic oil change, probably running some diagnostics on the vehicle as it sits in your driveway at home.
Absolutely, yes. And there's cabin filters, there's lubrication changes, but one of the nice things, you've actually got a qualified technician to come out to the house or come out to the office, do that factory scheduled maintenance, and but also if there's anything a little more serious, we can diagnose that and make an appointment back at the store if there's something a little more serious that needs doing. But so with brand new vehicles, as you know, with BMW, we include our 3-year, 36,000-mile maintenance, and that includes in the cost the mobile service for us to come out to your place of work or your home. And once that expires, you even have the option to buy a package that will continue that service for you as well. Especially in St. Augustine and St. Johns County, they're kind of stuck in the middle of the BMW stores. So we're very, very excited to offer this service to all the customers, certainly in that area, to save them time and hopefully they'll be able to not waste a day.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting. So basically what we're talking about is Tom Bush BMW, this mobile service opportunity where they will come to your home, to your driveway, and do things like oil change and cabin air filter replacements, run diagnostic tests on your vehicle, or they'll come to your office. So while you're working, they can be out there getting all that done, and then when you're done with work or ready for lunch, the vehicle is all ready to go. Right, Robert?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's almost like they're almost like the Invisible Man. You'll never see them come, and you'll leave with the car being done for the day, or just come out to your garage and have everything done on the on the vehicle for them.
Yeah, no, it's great. I will also say, I've mentioned to Robert, my wife Christy has a Tom Bush BMW, a 3 Series, actually plug-in hybrid. Loves that vehicle and has had absolutely zero issues with it. And of course, maintenance has been super easy, just doing the regular scheduled maintenance. But yeah, the ability to have that done in your driveway or at work. Let's face it, everybody likes convenience, right, Robert?
And I think that's the part of that I love. It is the convenience. We all hate coming to the store, especially for servicing, and even if it's just for regular factory maintenance. It's kind of the time that it takes out of your day. So we're so excited to really help people save some time and really make it a very convenient and seamless transition for you to be able to get your vehicle serviced. And even as well get some advice from a technician in a space you're comfortable with more, and really kind of help you get on with your day.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, if you have any questions, I guess, Robert, if they have any questions about BMW servicing the vehicle, in your driveway using this mobile service function, they should, I guess, just call the dealership, right?
Absolutely. Call. If the vehicle qualifies for the mobile service, we can arrange that appointment for you and make an appointment on a day that's convenient to you. And really, people need to understand you don't have to be at home. You can be at work because we do come to you. So really, it's a convenience at any day of the week. So just call, get an appointment, and call sooner rather than later, because obviously I've got a feeling this is going to book up very, very quickly, because I'm very excited to be offering this feature to everybody, not only up here in the Jacksonville area, but in the St. Johns County, St. Augustine area as well. And we'll even go down as far as Palm Coast.
Yeah.
So, we have plenty of opportunities for people to save some time whilst they get this service done.
Yeah, this is exciting stuff. So you're going to hear more and more about it. We appreciate Robert letting us know about it really first. A couple of ways you can connect about this mobile service for your BMW, have it serviced in your driveway or at work. Go to tombushbmw.com. You can connect with them very easily that way, tombushbmw.com. If you're in a position where you can punch a number into your cell phone, do this. Punch this number in, 904-512-2173. That's 904-512-2173. Robert Dunn, any closing thoughts before we let you go on this Thursday morning?
It's a beautiful day out there. It's sunny. So let's have a great day, great week, and remember to come by and get your brand new BMW.
All right, Robert, thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you, Kevin. You too.